In today's video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to extract text from a Windows computer. This method works for anything you can see on your computer, and the reason for that is because it's a Windows tool. So what you're going to want to be using is called the Snipping Tool. And you can click on the Snipping Tool if you would like to, but the shortcut for that on a Windows computer is the Windows button, Shift, and T. That is going to be exclusively for text. If you want the whole array of options, you can certainly do Windows key Shift S. That'll get you the snippet button, that'll get you the video recording. You can change the aspect, whether you want it to be a rectangular view that you can control like this. If you want it to be a screenshot, you can have it just take a picture of the whole screen, or just draw your own shape with freeform. For our instance, we're going to be using the text extractor, which as you can see is the Windows button, the Shift button, and the T button. So we can click that as well. And what we're going to do is, let's just say we want to copy this quote from Octavia Spencer. What you're going to do is just highlight it. It's going to detect it. And now you can select exactly what you want to highlight. You can select the quotes, everything along those lines, so that you don't have to type it in to something yourself. You can also adjust the window. So if you accidentally clip this off, you can adjust it, right? Or let's say I also want Pablo Picasso, I can do it that way. And now I can select his quote. Maybe you don't want Octavia Spencer's quotes, so you can close that one up. And now you can just select from Pablo Picasso. And when you're all set, you can either hit Control C, right, like normal. You can right click and select everything and then copy it, or you can just come up here and copy all text. However, this also works for things like images on your just general computer. Because this is Windows based, you can do it on basically anything. This already has the option because it's the Photos app in Windows. So you can just click on scan text. It's the same tool. It'll know that zoom is a word, and then you can copy the text and paste it wherever you want. As you can see, it says copy it to clipboard. Let's say you're on an application that's not Windows native. Let's say you're on Steam, for example. You can hit Control Shift T and it'll still bring it up because it's a Windows computer. So now I can select vampire crawlers and all of this. It's going to automatically read the text, and now I can highlight whatever I want, right? Copy and paste it. Last thing I'm going to show you, this will even work with an invitation. Let's say I have some kind of invitation where I have an address, right? And click Windows Shift T. It'll bring this up, but I only need the venue address. I can just highlight this part, and then I can simply hover over it, copy the text, and now I can put it into Google Maps or wherever I need to put it into, right? Or I can just put it into Google itself, and they're having their wedding at a Central Fish Company. And again, if your shortcuts don't work, you can simply just look up the snipping tool, right click it and run it. And now you'll see this window pop up right on the bottom over here. So now it's a separate window, so it actually won't go away. So now you can just click the text tool and do whatever you need to do with that. And that's about it for me. If you want more information about the snipping tool, I can make a video. Just let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this type of content, especially with Windows computers, click up here and I'll show you how to use the virtual camera on OBS in order to use for your online meetings.